You're watching the Weiss Channel Special Edition, the Michaela Shrouds edition. Dat. All right. So here's what's going on. We have a situation here. It's an easy situation. Let me show you. So it says that we're analyzing angle bisectors. That's a bunch of blah, blah, blah. It's really actually quite easy. So it says QS is the angle bisector of PQR. Find the two angle measures not given in the diagram. That means this. That means that this here, QS, see, from Q to S and through, right? That is the bisector. It cuts the angle in half. It's a bisector. Bisector means cuts in half. It means that it's taking this angle here, this angle, which is PQR, right? Because it's PQR. Okay, takes or RQP, either way. But the Q, this guy must be the second letter. The vertex is always the second letter. So the blue guy is cutting the yellow guy in half. All right. And it looks like you've already done this correctly. So I'm going to kind of just finish here, meaning since this here is 22, that this angle here is also 22. Looks like you wrote that already. Okay. But that also means this. It also means, okay, this entire angle here, meaning PQR, the whole yellow angle, is 44, right? Because 22 plus 22 makes 44. And there you go, done. So in other words, it's saying, all right, what is PQS? PQS, that's this guy right here, PQS. From P to Q to S, that's this, that's 22. Okay, well, what's PQR? 44. Oh, okay. So now in number 11, all right, this guy here is 91. Okay, so this guy here is 91, right? Which means the whole thing is 182 because 91 plus 91 is 182. Okay, so PQS is 91 and SQR. That makes no sense. SQR, it already says, oh, wait a minute. Sorry, I messed up. Okay, I wasn't paying attention. Sorry, let's start over. Okay, so here, let me start over. Here, it says this whole angle is 91, okay? So in other words, PQR is 91. So if PQR is 91, all right, sorry, your 30 is no good. All right, because if it's 91 and this guy is a bisector, that means this and this are equal. So they both have to be 45, meaning this is 45 and this is, I'm sorry, 45.5 basically. And this is 45.5 because 45.5 and 45.5 makes 91. So they're both 45.5. Okay, and there you go. Does that make sense? If it doesn't, you have to call me and ask me. All right, so same thing here. All right, it's saying, okay, this whole angle here is 75. So bam, bam, bam. This is 75. Okay. So now I need half of 75 because the two angles make 75. So what is half of 75? Half of 75 is 37.5. 37.5. Okay. There you go. So RQS is 37, right? RQS is that. So that's 37.5. 37.5. And SQP. SQP. That's also 37.5. Done. Okay. And then over here, this guy is 45 degrees, which means this guy is 45 degrees. Okay, so SQR is 45 degrees. PQR, you got to add the two together, right? PQR, the whole thing, is 90 because 45 plus 45 is 90. Okay. Oh, over here. Okay, so here we go. This guy is 80. Okay, this guy is 80. And the whole thing is 160. Okay, SQR, that's that guy, that's 80. PQR, the whole thing, that's 160. There you go. Over here, the whole thing is 124. This whole thing is 124. What's half of 124? Half of 124 is 62. That guy's 62. That guy's 62. Okay, SQP is 62. And guess what SQR is? It's 62. Woohoo! That's how you do it. This is how you do it. This is how you do it. You've been watching the Weiss channel. Dat, 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 dat.